Hi and welcome to Airdrop Spot. So today's tutorial is a very short one. We are interacting with Venom Task 7 and 8. So we're going to be starting off with Venompad. Venompad is a launchpad for any project that wants to launch on the Venom blockchain. So the requirements are very simple. Task 1 says to follow Venompad on Twitter. So I'll tap on that human icon right there to go to Twitter and follow them. I'll hit the follow button, then I'll come back to the task website and tap on follow so that it can confirm that I have indeed followed them. I am required to complete the captcha right here, so I'll do that. I'll tap on verify when I'm done. Okay, I didn't get a part of it right, so it's bringing me another captcha. Okay, so task 1 is done and task 2 says to tweet about Venompad. There's really no other activity that you can do on Venompad right now than these two. So I'll go to Twitter and I'll, the tweet that has been curated for me, I'll just tap on post to post that tweet. After posting the tweet, I will go back to the task page and I'll confirm. I'll tap on tweet to confirm. Task done, so I'm going to mint an NFT to confirm that I have indeed completed the 2 tasks. I'll type in my password and I'll confirm the transaction in my wallet. And now our NFT is successfully minted. We'll go back and we're going to interact with task 8. And task 8 requires us to interact with Snipa. Snipa is a portfolio tracker on Venom. With Snipa you can track, every activities on your portfolio and also track your wallet balance and all. So the first task says to tweet about Snipa Finance. So we're going to tap on that tweeting button or that pen button. Tap on post. Then after posting, you go back to the tasks page and you confirm that you have tweeted. Tap on tweet for confirmation. And the second task says to check your portfolio on Snipa Finance. So we're going to Snipa Finance. So the first thing I'll be doing is I'll switch my browsing mode to desktop so that I can be able to, connect with my Venom wallet. So now I am on desktop mode. I'm going to tap on explore now with Venom wallet. Then I'll be choosing Venom Chrome extension. I'll type in my password. And now we are connected. So the only thing you need to do right here is you tap on that button that says join Venom Testnet, just for a confirmation that you visited the website. So if you look at it right here, it's saying this is part of what Snipa Finance does. It's saying my wallet, everything in my portfolio is worth $8, although the amount here is not the same with real life amount. It's just testnet tokens and it doesn't have real life value. But at the bottom it is making analysis of the tokens I have in my wallet and their worth. So that's part of what Snipa Finance does. And once you are done, you go back to the task page and then you mint your NFT. First of all, I will check to confirm, okay, done. Then I'm going to mint my NFT. NFT successfully minted. That will be the end of today's video. Thank you for watching.